Hello dear Virgos, a very good evening to you guys. So I hope you are doing really well in your life. So this is a journal of reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and this is a journal of reading. Keep this in mind that this might or might not resonate with you because it's journal, and roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so let's start. Virgo, your partner's current energy right now is. Your partner's current energy right now is Three of Wands. I feel like right now your partner is waiting. They are just waiting for something to happen in their life. They are just might be they are turning their back from you, from this connection right now. But definitely this person is waiting for something to happen in their life. This is a Three of Wands energy. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify the Three of Wands energy in their current energy. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. Four of Wands, a King of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. So this person is waiting for the stability, for the love, and they're just waiting. Waiting game is on from their side. So what this person is waiting for, this person is waiting for the stability, for the long-term committed relationship, for the love. Okay, they are just waiting for the love. They are just waiting for something to happen in their life. And the Seven of Pentacles energy is telling me that they are feeling like they have done everything that they could, and now they are just waiting. They can't do anything rather than wait. This is their current energy right now. Let's see. What's your current energy right now, Virgos? Your current energy right now is, let's see, your current energy right now is Virgo. Your current energy right now is, let's see, Six of Wands. I feel like right now you are going through some beautiful phase of your life right now. Okay, might be you got some kind of promotion, might be you got selected in some kind of interview, or might be you are a creative person, you are related to acting or some kind of creative field. You got some kind of recognition, some kind of name, fame, victory, and success. And I feel like you are feeling like you are some kind of mini celebrating yourself. This is the situation here. All eyes on you right now. You are getting that attention. You are getting the attention. You are getting some kind of honor. Might be. Let's clarify. Six of Wands. Really happy from Temperance, Magician, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so the victory thing is telling me that you are really trying to control your temper, control your anger right now. You are not holding any kind of grudges. You are manifesting. You are manifesting a good life for yourself. You are manifesting good luck. This is a Wheel of Fortune, and your manifestation came to fruition. And that's why right now you're feeling like you're on the top of the world. You're some kind of mini celebrity. Everybody is talking about you. You're celebrating something actually in your life. This is your current energy, and you're really very patient, very patient. You are manifesting something, and you were really patient about this manifestation, and the universe is now giving you what you were manifesting in your life. Okay, this is your current energy, Virgos. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see, Virgos, what this person feels for you. Five of Cups. I feel like this person is really very sad without you. They are depressed. They are feeling some kind of regret. They are lost. They are lost without you. This is what is happening, Virgo. This is what they are feeling right now for you. Lost without you. Sad without you. Depressed. Regretful. Might be somewhat revengeful as well, but not that much revengeful as much regretful they are. And I feel like they're having some kind of options in their life, but they are really stuck on you, depressed and sad without you. Grief, some kind of grief or loss that they are going through right now. They are feeling grief without you. They are feeling lost without you. Four of Swords, healing, judgment, and give me 1 second. The Hierophant. Okay, I feel like this person right now is healing from some kind of things. They are feeling regretful. They are just trying to seek some kind of forgiveness from you or from the universe, and they are just trying to tap into into their spiritual side. They are trying, they are seeking advice from some kind of guru or some kind of mentor or some kind of person whom they are spiritually connected with. They are trying their best to come out of this bad phase of their life. They are feeling like lost and depressed and sad, and that's why this person right now is feeling like they should take a break and they should just meditate or do something like that. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Knight of Swords. I feel like this person wants you to go back towards them with a very, very, quick energy. They want you to rush into them. They want you to rush into this connection, and they want you to, just go to them quickly and tell them quickly that yes, you also want them, you also miss them, and like that. This is the Knight of Swords energy. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords energy as what they want from you. Let's clarify Knight of Swords. Okay. Okay. Cards are jumping, and 3 cards came out for you. You can feel like that. Okay. So this person wants you to realize. This person wants you to open your intuition. This person wants you to come out of this fearful stage or fearful state of mind, and this person wants you to realize that there is still potential in this connection. This connection is still soulful, and this connection is still, carrying the energy of soulmate energy, and this person wants you to start this connection all over again, and just to jump into this connection. This person wants you to feel victorious with them, feel successful with them, start this connection. Fine. I mentioned this, like 100 times, but this is what my job is, to tell you exactly what is happening. Let's see what is coming towards you, or what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Devil. Oops. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. So I feel like Virgo, I feel like possessiveness that you can expect from this person till the 10th of July. Some kind of toxicity, some kind of negativity. I feel like this person is going to force you to do something that you don't want to do. Virgo, this is why this person is, carrying some kind of negativity or toxicity around them. Let's clarify further the devil. Let's clarify. 8 of Swords, 10 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. So 8 of Pentacles, sorry, at 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, now I'm feeling like this person wants you to leave the other party. So I feel like this person is feeling like you are dealing with some kind of other party, or might be you are just, celebrating something with someone else, and they are not able to, digest this situation. They are not able to digest this condition that you are dealing with some other person, that you are connected with some other person. That's why there is some kind of toxicity or negativity coming in. So I feel like this person is feeling like you should just realize that the worst is over now, and they're ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side. But there is something, I feel like this person is feeling like there's someone else also in the equation. That's why the negativity or toxicity is coming towards you. This is what is coming towards you till 10th of July. So now you have to deal with this in your own way. I told you everything. Now this is your free will, what you're going to do about this. Okay. Thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.